All right, everybody, welcome back for another video, another opening. Today, we actually got ourselves 2 packs. We'll actually come with 2 packs, 2 booster packs, 2 rare, and 2 bonus cards. The original price was $9.99, but I did see them on sale for $4.99. These are distributed by the Fairfield Company. I guess it's a site company that does Pokemon as well. I don't know which ones of these are though. Let's see if we can move that card. Oh, okay. Cosmic Eclipse. Sorry for the lighting. Probably too bright there. Let's pick that up a little bit. Well, let's bust into these and see what we get. Noctowl. Oh, wait. Didn't even get that on camera. A Noctowl. And a Rotom. Never seen that one before. Cool. Take them. Put these off to the side here. Here's the other one I came with. A Deerling. Put that off to the side. And the other pack is a Cosmic Eclipse with the babies on it, as they say. Let's get that packaging out of the way. All right, here is the promo code. Good luck, everybody. Let's get into pack number 1. Hope everybody's doing well, being safe out there. As for me, it's been pretty crazy out here. Pretty crazy, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Here's the promo code. The thing about it is to stay positive about things, and let's not let the bad side of us make dumb judgments out there. Let's be safe, let's stay calm, but let's work in a coordinated fashion about this. Let's really everybody put in hands. I mean, I've already been preparing myself to go out and do something about it myself. So as in, like, you know, spraying the sidewalks in the area and stuff like that, mailboxes, whatnot, with some disinfectant if I have to, because, you know, any little bit can count. Even spraying your cars on the outside, spraying your cars like a detail spray or something, spraying your cars with disinfectant would help as well, because we don't even know nothing yet, so anything could transfer it. So I'm gonna say water energy, fighting energy. So yeah, we gotta be safe out there. We want to stay sanitary, wash our hands, you know, put alcohol, dilute it with some water, maybe like 50-50, water with 50% alcohol in it, and a spray bottle. There's a hollow right there. Prin pulp. Pretty cool. Take that. Yeah, just spray down your handles, your car. We'll take that one. Let's put that one off to the side. Spray down your door handles and spray down your anything to where you pretty much know that people can come in contact with, you know, like when they're walking by your car or something, they accidentally, you know, they're not meaning to touch your car. You never know. So I mean, getting your car clean, go and clean your car with some sanitary, some solutions or something would really help. Here's the promo code. Good luck. And yeah, any little bit can help. I mean, I'm really in awe of this. That's why I'm like not really like trying to think of what I want to say, because it's really not a joke. Fire energy. Oh, whoa. I think that was weird. Okay, I think I probably did that wrong. that's a cool one with the Zapdos in it. That looks cool. It almost looks like a Pikachu. Sweet. Everybody loves Pikachu, right? And the Pindove. Sneasel. Oh, that's a reverse holo right there. We got something shiny. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh. A Raichu and a Lohan Raichu GX. I don't know what you call this. A rare or hyper rare. I'm kind of stuck, slow-minded right now. 2 for the price of 1. Wow, look at that. That's sweet. And a Slash Sneasel. What? That is a cool card. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Tag team. Then look at the backs. I don't know why I left that fighting energy right there. Must have thought it was a holo card or something. So again, if you haven't already, like and subscribe so you can see future videos just like here. And see my other videos as well. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. The next time I put out a video, Pokemon, random stuff, you guys can get the inside scoop first, especially on some ideas that I've been working on. That's a sweet card right there. And let's get that last one in the hard sleeve. Yeah, this Sneasel. Actually, there's one right here. Just like that. All right, check out what we got. Centering on that, it looks a little off to this side. And then this one looks to be dead on perfect. Oh yeah, that one looks dead on perfect. And for the hyper rare, it looks to be pretty good. It does look really good. Well, enjoy that. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see the next pack opening, click to the next video and don't forget to hit and like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, please. And share this video. Peace.